In this video, I will show you how to change language on Discord so you can use the app in your preferred language. To get started, open up Discord and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto the gear icon to go into your user settings. Once you're in your user settings, come over to the menu on the left-hand side, and what you want to do is scroll down a bit until you see the option for app settings. In this section, you're going to see an option for language and time. Give that a click, and this way you can come to select your language. So you can see mine's currently set to English US, but if we click onto the drop-down box, you can change to any of the available languages from here. For example, if we wanted to change to French, I would select the option from here, and what it's going to do straight away is a quick refresh, and you can see that the Discord language has now changed to my preferred language. So that is how to change language on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.